going to show you how to prepare a hydrosol at home. You don't need any fancy equipment. You just can make it on your stove with a pot. I'm going to show you how. You can use any herb that you want. I'm going to use here a lemongrass because I had it in my garden. So I have plenty of that to make a hydrosol. This hydrosol, you can use it for creams or for toners or many other formulations. But I'm going to show you that yes, you can make it at home. Okay, let's get started. Start by harvesting several lemongrass stalks. Then cut them into smaller pieces. I like to use the ends of the lemongrass because that's where we can find the most valuable chemical compounds to make our hydrosol. This lemongrass hydrosol is an antioxidant-rich herb that helps tone and calm skin. It's absolutely wonderful, and the best part, you can easily grow lemongrass right in your garden. Now we're ready to start with our project. We need a pot, and the whole of the lid needs to be covered. We also need a scale, distilled water, and a glass container. And also we need some ice. Okay, we're going to start measuring and weighing our lemongrass. I got around 100 grams of lemongrass. More or less. So we're going to put the lemongrass. After we rinse the lemongrass, we put it in a pot, and then we're going to cover it with distilled water. I use about 2 liters of distilled water. Then we have to accommodate our glass container. If you have a very small glass container, you can use some kind of a cup underneath that glass, but I didn't need it, so it was perfect there. Then we cover it with the lid upside down. Let it boil for about 1 hour, 1 and a half, but put on top of the lid the ice or the ice packs so that they can cool down the steam, and then it can drop into the glass container. Okay, here you can see that all the water it's converted into the liquid that it's going to be dripping into the glass container, and that's where we can, that's the hydrosol. Now we're ready to pack our hydrosol. We can use different containers to put our hydrosol in there. This lemongrass hydrosol is absolutely wonderful if you want to control for oil control. It's great. Also, you can use it as an antiseptic cleanser. That works absolutely great. I like to use it when my skin looks tired, so to revive it, because it has such a fresh and uplifting scent that it can wake you up. Then we can let it cool down, and then we can put the lid on, put the label with the date, and usually it lasts 6 months in the refrigerator. And let me know in your comments if you give this a try. Enjoy, and until next time.